Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we are going to be going through another PhotoPea tutorial. Today we're going to be going through something super quick, super basic, but I do get a handful of questions about this. We are going to be resizing an image, which is pretty straightforward. So with that, I've dropped in my image. You can see there's some space around it. I will select it over to the right, which mine already is, and you should see these white squares with these little blue outlines surrounding your image. If you don't have that, just make sure that you have the arrow clicked on the left top side of the screen, which is your move tool. V is also your quick key, and then you're going to grab in one of the corners and you're just going to drag it. Now as you do that and you do those adjustments, you don't need to hold anything. It should keep its ratio. If you needed to stretch it and warp it a little bit in case you wanted to whatever, make sure that it fit the area and you are okay with distorting that image, press and hold shift as you do that and you'll be able to stretch and pull that image, but again it will distort it. It will kind of make it look a little bit funky, but depending on what you want, that can assist you. Now with that, that's all of this really is, just something really quick to show you how you can adjust and kind of manipulate these images a little bit more. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.